Hey folks, welcome back to the GX channel. For those of you that upgraded to the newer navigation unit for your GX460, you're going to find out very soon that there is no real good cell phone holder made for this unit, mainly because the air vents are directly below the screen, which makes this type of cell phone holder a terrible choice. I have had the legs of this cell phone holder hit the rear AC button many times. It also covers the passenger side temperature readings. It covers the passenger side temperature knob. It also covers a whole bunch of other stuff. Then I went to this swivel mount, which worked for a while, until I realized the weight of my phone kept dropping the arms down whenever I hit a bump. Then I saw something on Instagram that caught my eye. A powerful electric vacuum type of cell phone holder that can be applied to many different surfaces. I had to get my hands on this to test it out, guys. This might be a game changer. Let's go ahead and open this bad boy up here and see what this is all about, huh? Here you go. Underneath is a charging cable. I'm going to tell you why you need a charging cable a little later on. Right here, you got wet towelettes. In case you guys are going to be sticking it on a non-flat surface, this gives you a, wow, it's sort of like a silicone surface, and it has like a little lift tab right here for you to peel, and it's a sticky side on this side, so you guys could apply this onto your car dash or anywhere you want to apply this vacuum cell phone holder. Only if your surface is very porous or a little bit of curvature in there, then you might need something like this to create a flat surface for you. But I'm pretty sure if you are sticking this on a very flat plastic or whatever inside your car, you might not even need this, okay? So you got your wipies in here. You got some additional stickers for your surface, and you have a MagnaSafe type of magnet in case you don't have an iPhone. You can use this to stick onto your Android cell phone case. This is the template that they give you in case you don't want to eyeball it in your vehicle. Let's go ahead and take a look at this. Here you go. You got a little button. This is the vacuum release. So whenever you stick this on to a surface and you want to remove it to adjust it or take it out just so you can charge it with your USB cable, you can go ahead and push this and releases the vacuum, and it pops right out. How does the vacuum work, guys? Well, let me show you. If I take off this protective film prior to installing this, there is a surface button right here. All you have to do is push this down. It's going to hit that button and create a vacuum, and it's going to suck it up. And it's going to stick to the surface very hard. Okay, so here is the swivel mount. It comes in a variety of angles for you, and this is very stiff, not like my last cell phone holder that kept on losing its angle due to the weight of the cell phone. I can feel this is super stiff. There you go, very stiff. So in order for you guys to hold its position, and it also rotates this way. Even if you're not going to rotate it by the swivel, you can rotate it by this arm right here, which is a cool feature. Many different types of angles you guys can use. Okay, so let's go ahead and test this out, guys. I kind of already know where I'm going to put this because I was looking for a replacement for my old cell phone holder for quite some time now, and this might just do the job. Let's check it out. Okay, we are back at my 2023 navigation unit, and you're going to notice right behind here you have an entire flat surface. I want to show you how well it sticks in vacuum without even cleaning it, okay? I'm going to go ahead and take this unit right here, and I'm just going to place it on the surface, okay? I'm not going to even push it down. I'm not going to even push any buttons. I'm not going to even turn on any switch, okay? It's creating that vacuum right now. Now look at it. Look at this, guys. Okay, How is our cell phone going to hold on here? We'll take a look. I'm going to lift it up and check this out. Bam! And check this out. Driver, passenger, driver, passenger. Hey, let's say you don't have a dash cam. Let's say you need to record something, 360-degree turn to record the front of your vehicle. Hey, maybe you want to do a selfie. Maybe you want to do a recording of you and your friends inside the vehicle while driving. Check this out. Just press record, face it any direction. Look at this, guys. Check this out, 360 degrees, wow. Check that out. Now, you guys want to release it. Let's go ahead and take that off. Go ahead and push the button here. You're gonna hear the motor unsuck itself, okay? Check this out, comes right off, guys. Okay, now if you guys are wondering, hey, this electric battery in here, it's not gonna last. Do I have to keep on removing this off of my vehicle every time the battery runs out? You guys, folks, no, because I'm gonna tell you right now, there's a USB-C connection right here. And guess what? You can connect it right from your car. Just stick it in there while it's already on here, just like this. Push it down. Now, it is actually charging your unit. Isn't that awesome? And when you guys are done charging, all you have to do is remove it. And when you remove it, you can go ahead and charge your cell phone. Isn't that crazy? Look at that, guys. Another really good selling point is this charger cable and the charging cable for your unit shares the same USB-C connection, and it can go down behind the screen and be out of the way. When I had my cell phone over here, my cable would be in the front of everything, and sometimes it would get stuck on the shift knob, and I didn't like that, how the cable was always in the way. This right here is such a great idea. Now I can finally say that I have found my final cell phone holder that I'm going to be keeping for years and years. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Go out and buy one, guys. It's right below my video, the link and everything. Okay, peace out.